Good evening, master speakers and guests. My name is Muturaj, and I am the presiding officer for this ME4U International Public Speaking and Spoken English classes. Dear all, today's theme is 4 hours work week. What is the meaning of 4 hours work week? The author name is Tim Ferriss. Tim Ferriss says to get success in your life, you all no need to have lot of money and no need to be so busy in life. The author Tim Ferriss says a successful person is someone who has wealth besides lot of time in hand. Imagine you have lot of money beyond your imagination, but you don't have time to have food. You don't have time to drink a cup of water. So, is this a success? You don't have time to sleep properly for 4 hours at least. Is this a success? So, Tim Ferriss says, if at all you want to be a successful person in your life, all you have to have with the setup of your business, you should also have enough time in your hand. Dear friends, Tim Ferriss in this book says about DEAL, deal as the short form. To know more about it, we have our master of ceremony who is set for it, and we will talk ahead with all these things. With this, every master speakers club has got a master of ceremony. A master of ceremony is someone who takes care of the meeting from A to Z, from the preparation to the entire meeting. And can anyone guess who is the master of ceremony today? Who? She is one of the influencers of this class. So last time I mentioned here, she is one of the influencers of this class. Because of her, we have a couple of more students in the class. Help me in welcoming with a big round of applause, Master Speaker Misha.